Listing agent, Gina Alexander 404-641-8466. Adorable, affordable. Lovely split level is all spruced up and ready for new owner. Large wraparound porch welcomes neighbors and friends. Vaulted great room, dining area and kitchen combination is perfect for the cook who does not want to be separated from family and guest. This open floor plan has bamboo hardwood floors in great room, dining area and hallway upstairs. Inviting fireplace in great room, bay dining area with French door to deck, merged kitchen with tile flooring and is efficiently designed to make every square inch count. Upstairs features tile hall bath with tub shower combo. 3 bedrooms have newer carpet. Secondary bedrooms will give you plenty of room for your furniture and additional uses. Serenely simple master suite, spacious yet intimate, has tray ceiling, walk-in closet and private bath. Come home to peaceful surroundings, rear deck with gas grill, few steps.